Welcome back to the best channel on YouTube. So you join me at a car show. We have so many people over here, and it's basically looking quite fun. So yeah, people are laughing at me, but this is why being a YouTuber is hard. Yeah, so we have KB over here.
Yo, what's good, man?
Yeah. We have Ben Asawa. You've seen in the last videos before, and yeah, go follow them. And yeah. For all your TPMS needs, contact Wolf. You can see the name over here. Contact him. The one chairman. What do you do for a living?
Anyways, and there's what's the name? The Lego game, I forgot what's called. And then other games as well. And then there's food, and then there's drinks. So
Rain, it looks like the rain wants to spoil the day. We're not going to allow it. We're not going to allow this. I don't know what car this is. That's a Type R. That's a Lexus, the 250. But I always like seeing this. B-Spec, I really like your car. One day give it to me. And the Golf. We have a video on that. The owner took us for a ride. Lovely super car. It's not a super car, but it's a super car. And look at the stands on these Lexuses. And now we're very soft for GTIs. And look at we have the X6M over here. Wow. Same engine as sits in the F10 M5. And you know it's a powerhouse. And we got this. You guys know what this is? 3000 GT. If you don't know it, you didn't grow up on cars. Well, because of the rain, I've not been able to vlog properly. So I hope you're enjoying the video. And my bucket hat is really helping. It's really helping. And this Camaro, the SS, is loud. I wish I was able to get that. The CLA drove straight from Togo to come for this. It's Ellie. Yeah, man. Oh man. What's up? Why you're leaving? Are you leaving? Yeah, I think you can go out. There you go. Alright. Okay. And the exhaust on this. Spiky. Are you revving now?
Okay, so we are moving on to the RX-7. Everyone should come here, please. The attention should be here, please. I'm controlling the crowd. Everyone should come here. If you don't come here, you can't come here.
Pitch fans on this is crazy though.
Hello.
I'm a mechanic by trade. I work on cars for a living, and I own and operate B-Spec Auto Sports. With the rest of my employees, of course, they're not here, but I am. This is my 1993 Mazda RX-7. It's a 30-year-old car, original rotary engine, and it used to be single turbo, but it used to be twin turbo, but it's single turbo now. I'm running about 8 pounds of boost. I have a stage 3 racing clutch. It's all coilovers and a front mount intercooler and just some other upgrades to keep the engine cool. And I mounted the battery in the back because I was getting a lot of heat buildup up front, and I relocated a bunch of other stuff on the bottom as well. So I have a wide band air fuel ratio gauge to monitor the amount of fuel that's in the car. When I'm in boost, and I have a boost gauge to monitor how much boost I'm pushing, so I don't overboost and blow my engine. So,
Please give us some reps. Those who to forward, please. Let's go.
OJ.
beautiful.
Mercedes V8 high turbo.
enjoying myself. Best G8X in Ghana. With my other dream car. Crazy. F80 M3 and G82 M4. And this is a competition. Ghanaians don't buy normal BMWs anymore, normal M's anymore. We go full option competition. Crazy. I'm liking it.